Hello, welcome everyone to Wayford Bridge. In the top float underneath the bridge today, in amongst all this weed and lilies and all sorts that's down there. See if we can get ourselves a couple of small fish or maybe some big perch. So let's see what we can do. My name's Carl and this is Waterside Fishing Adventures. Welcome to the channel. So, down in the swim, down under the bridge at the moment. And we fish anywhere from them boats down there to along here. Plenty of places to go at. So let's see what we can do. We've got some maggots, reds and whites, we've got some ground bait in the bottom there. Couple of little essential bits and a net. All we need. Right, let's see what we can do then. So put a bit of bait out, had a couple of casts, fish on, Mr. Perch. Not a bad start. That's what we're down there for, was a perch session basically. So hopefully we'll get a few more. Seem to be going a bit crazy with people on canoes and stuff at the moment. Whole family's just gone down river, 6 canoes, and there's been a couple of couples up and down. Obviously they're just enjoying the summer and going up and down the rivers. Can't blame them. It's nice being out there on a boat. So yeah, not a bad start anyway, fish wise. Let's see if we can get something else. Fish on. There we go. A bit bigger than the other one. Hello everyone. Right, let's get it back. Nice on that. Fish on again. We're getting a few fish, and this one's bigger. That'll be jubbly. Hopefully they'll keep getting bigger every time I get a bite. That'd be nice. Not as easy as that, I know, but hopefully we'll keep getting a few. Lovely jubbly. Let's get it back. It's a bit warm out here, so we don't want to keep them out of the water too long. So, I must say, I've never actually fished this spot before, or anywhere along here, but I have been coming down over the last, about a year now, and watching the fish behaviour, when they feed, what state of tide they feed, whether the clear water or murky water makes a difference to the shoals of fish being about, etc, etc. And that seems to be paying off fairly well at the moment. I haven't had a bite now for about 10 minutes, but that's nothing, is it? Nothing to worry about. Hopefully the next one will be a good sized fish. They seem to be getting bigger every single cast. We're getting a lot of canoes and a lot of boats coming through at the moment, so I'm sort of dealing with that, and that obviously scares off the fishing a little bit because it's quite shallow where I'm fishing. You only got like 4 foot, something like that. Yeah, it's nice to try a new spot. I knew it was going to be all about perch, hence why I'm targeting them. There is running that around on the surface and stuff amongst the lilies and reeds and stuff, but they're only small. They're not, over a pound plus or anything like that. They're quite small fish. So I thought I'd target the bigger perch, hopefully. So far we've had a few of them, but we want one twice as big as that one last one we had now, don't we? We're going to achieve that, and that'll be a pretty good session. The first session down on the place I've been watching. Just watching my float as I'm talking at the same time. Because it could go under any second. You never know. It could be a 4-pound perch at the end of the line next time. Don't know what's going to happen there. Fingers crossed. Let's see if we can get some more big. I'm using quite big baits, even when I'm just using the maggots. I'm using like 6 maggots, big bait. And just seeing what we can do, really. Wow, what was I just saying a little while ago about trying to get one of the bigger ones? That's about 15 minutes ago now, I think. How about that? Lovely jubbly. Nice big perch. Good if you could put his fin up for us. Keep it up. No, didn't want to do it. Cool if you did that one. It's not having it today. Lovely fish. If you're thinking about coming down here yourself, I'd recommend probably leaving it for a couple of weeks, because this is just coming through constant all the time at the moment, where they've been cutting the reeds and lilies and stuff. It's a bit of a mess. That's a real pain. There's some big lumps of it out there as well. Not good. No more bites yet, but we're still trying. This is what I'm talking about. All this just comes through and just wipes out your floating line and everything. Even if you're down on a ledge, it still won't be line out because there's so much of it. It's just making a right mess. It's a pain. There's no way of getting past it at the moment. We're still trying. We're sitting out there on the float. Float there, but I'm now about to get wiped out by all the weed. We'll be trying to bring it in and cast the other side of all this side around. That's all I have to keep doing at the moment. It's a pain. Fish on. Not bigger than the others, obviously, but still another fish. Let's get him back in the water. See if we can get some more. Still plenty going on down here. We've got boats and stuff coming through. There's a windmill and stuff around there to go and have a look at, and then there's like a canal bit you can cruise up and down, which is quite nice. Yeah, we're basically just going too white, too red at the moment, maggot wise. And that seemed to be working. Be good to try it down here with some worms, I think. And that'll probably single them out a bit more as well. Very surprised I ain't getting any rod or nothing like that. But then I don't think they're in this area. I think they're out there in the lilies and stuff. We've got so many places to play in. They've got no reason to be on this bit, Right, let's get back out there. At the moment I'm just casting to the side of the bridge here and then caught a tree behind me then. Maybe we'll see what's playing. Here we are. I'm trying to get it over the top of the filming gear. So basically just casting it inside there and just let it run along under the bridge. And that's the result of that fish. Whew, our sun's coming out, it's burning my arms, and the float went flying under. Another stripey. Lovely jubbly. them back in. Fish on again. Whee. Mr. Perch. Definitely finding these perch today, which is what we come out to do. Lovely jubbly. Let's get it back. There's literally hundreds of thousands of fry around the edges. The camera won't pick it up because of the sunlight. Gonna have to get some special lenses, I think, so I can show some stuff like that. Still roasty hot. Mr. Roach has moved in. Not really after them, but we don't mind a few other species while we're targeting the perch, do we? Still nice to get bites and stuff. Let's see if we can find some other stuff. Really, we want the perch. Guess what? Found another perch. Lovely jubbly. Mr. Perch. Let's get him back. He's pretty high out here. Don't know how many we've had now, 6 or 7, haven't we? It's pretty cool. Let's see if we can find a few more. Saying it's 24 degrees at the moment, which is pretty warm sitting here. I'm getting pretty hot. Keep going over the bridge here, get a bit of shade. Still some wind though, which is probably a good thing to be honest. That'd be way too hot if not. Small boats behind me, moving around. The ones that park up will come under the bridge. I'm down to just a red and a white maggot now. Shadowed up slightly because the tide's on its way down. And we're getting some bites. Did go quiet for that, probably 45 minutes or so. Could have shadowed up and gone off the red ride, but I'm still going to the perch. So let's see what else we can do. We've got planes going above, helicopters going across. It's all happening. People on canoes, people on boats. Yeah.
What's the maximum height under the bridge? Oh, it's purple, I like that.
Yes, it is.
What anymore?
I'm at about 15 now. Not too bad. Well, I'm going to have to leave the session now. I just lost my float. I've only brought the gear with me There's some more gear in the car, but I've only brought the gear down to the river. Just the one setup with the one float, etc. It's in the bush right in front of me, I can see it over there. I'll show you in a sec. Just got no way again at the moment, not with my boat. Yeah, so that's basically hanging in that tree there, as you can see. Just grab my boat and get that next time I come through here on my boat. So that's a bit of a shame, but so I wasn't going to stay too much longer anyway. It's just a little fishing trip in between work. I've got to go back and stick in 8 hours at work. Yeah, so thanks very much for watching. Appreciate everyone coming in and supporting the channel. And I'll see you all soon. Not a bad perch session anyway. I put a couple of tiny ones back that I didn't show on camera. And a couple of rope that I've always all been perch. We've done alright, we had a couple of, well, 2 or 3 quite nice sized ones, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm sure we'll try here again another day. So, thanks for watching, see you all soon.